Seja bem-vindo a mais um vídeo. Se você ainda não me conhece, meu nome é Paulo e esse é o canal SKS90. Continuando o vídeo da semana passada, se você não viu, eu ensinei a desenhar na parede de um jeito fácil e do tamanho que você quiser. E no vídeo de hoje eu vou pintar o desenho e finalizar ele. Sem muita enrolação, já se inscreve aí no canal, porque toda quinta-feira tem vídeo novo aqui. Então bora lá e eu volto a mostrar o resultado final.
No way they're ready, ain't no way they know. Our brightest ladies, ain't no way they know what we hold. If they did, the whole world would explode.
Parte 2.
I need to give myself some rest. Can you heal my curse? Can you take my mind away? I need to give myself some rest. Can you heal my curse? Can you take my mind away?
Most niggas stuck on the 6 speed inside their bubble, never travel out to a new scene. So that brings them motherfuckers in loose jeans. So now we got you stuck inside of the crossroad. I actually respect that you would never want more things. Just two things, always tie your shoes when they're loosening. Remember, go outside and catch a drip, because one breeze can make it grow. Oh, what's inside of this loophole? I'm here for you. I'm here for you, here for you. But that ain't gonna kill for you. Left it all behind, right up on the hill with you. Now it's karma time, got the newest curse issue. Now it all makes sense, you prefer to blame me, so your rep won't drop and blend with the lower class and broken ends. Newsflash, you're what we call a broken trend.
I need to give myself some rest. Can you heal my curse? Can you take my mind?
Rafael Martins no centro do gol. Só avisar a cobrança, bater. Gol!
Take my mind away. And could you give me the courage?
Hey. Yes, sir. This right here is sold here. East PA, the city, born and raised, I got the gold here. All my brothers with me like we shooters, boy, we coded. I'ma buy a mansion for my mama, cause it's golden. Say my boys is tripping, but we living, that's the goal here. Hey, way we living, man, let's go here. Yeah, need a printing for my gold here. Loving family, boy, let's go here. Living off a dream, I'm taking aim, I need to go. First off is a blessing, boy. Yeah, driving through the city looking reckless. I'm a mean green machine. Started writing on my checklist, checking off if you feeling me. Hey, I support the greatest, give me energy. Like I might take them haters, turn them frenemies. I got me an army from the king, so state your business, please. I'm a shooter with that word like ooh, like ooh, like ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm caught up, you see me playing. I'm caught up, you see me faking. I'm caught up, I need you praying. I'm caught up, I need the payment. I'm caught up, ain't no mistaking. You caught up, I need you open up your mind and tell the story like this right there is so there. East PA, the city, born and raised, we got the gold here. All my brothers.
Já vou mostrar o resultado pra você. Minhas redes sociais vão estar passando aqui do lado. Não se esqueça de se inscrever e deixar o like, porque como eu disse, tem vídeo novo aqui toda quinta-feira. Agora fica com o resultado aí e até a próxima.
And could you give me the courage? Full body outward, white cop in the